from 200 to 250 US dollar, you can get an APS-C DSLR camera in 2024 like this Canon EOS 1300D. Hello guys, so today's vlog, we have the Canon EOS 1300D. It's worth to buy in 2024, or let's compare with the newest version, the Canon R100. So do you think that this is worth to buy, this 1300D? Or instead, you can go with the Canon R100. So before we dive into the topic, which is about the Canon 1300D, if this is still worth to buy in 2024, let's check first and compare the 1300D DSLR to the newest model, which is the Canon R100 mirrorless RF mount. So the Canon EOS R100 is approximately around 400 US dollar, depends on your local market, while you can find 1300D used in the market for around 200 to 250 US dollar. So again, let's compare why still we consider to check the new Canon EOS R100 than the EOS R 1000 EOS 1300D. First, the EOS R100, it's 24 megapixel mirrorless camera compared for 18 megapixel DSLR of the Canon 1300D. You have more better ISO, which is around 12,800 compared for 6,400 of the 1300D. You have better shutter burst mode, which is 6.5 frames per second compared for 3 frames per second of Canon 1300D. So you have 356 grams. This is more lighter. The EOS R100 compared for 485 grams of the Canon 1300D. You have also better processor, which is newer, Digic 8 versus Digic 4 Plus of the Canon EOS 1300D. And you have also 143 focusing point compared for 9 focusing point only for the 1300D. And you have already 4K recording resolution compared for Full HD recording resolution for 1300D. So, and guys, I think it's better to buy the Canon EOS R100 because first, it's already R mount. You have a new series mirrorless 4K, and yan, for the price is almost similar with the 1300 D. But again, on this question, if this is worth to buy the 1300D, I think if you can find 250 price, I think just keep your money and just invest with the new one, 400D. Or if you can get lower than 200 US dollar, why not? If you are starting, if you want to try a DSLR camera, then go with the DSLR camera. So instead, or just go direct from the EOS R, which is new series, mirrorless, from the Canon R100. So, and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check our DSLR line, we have in our AAB World Marketplace. You can find all DSLR camera from Nikon, Canon, or if you want to check the new mirrorless, which is the R100 or Canon series that we have, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.